Okay, so let's move on to class. So last class we discussed what is ignorate ada commands and mostly what is playbook and so what are the sections that is ignorate how to create playbook, what are the sections and how to write execute playbook and all. So we discuss, right? Anyone any doubt previous class? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if you see here, so there is a mostly what are the sections in playbook if you want to write any playbook. Anyone? MS Paint. Target section, variable section. Hmm. మర్చిపోయినారా? So if you want to write any playbook, so playbook, if you want to write, one is target, right? Target section and variable. Next, mm,
Task.
task section and handler, right? Handler section. Okay. So now, which are the mandatory, which are optional? So target is mandatory. Without target section, we cannot execute our playbook. It is throwing error. And the same way, task section also mandatory. Variables and handler section is the optional. Correct? So these are the optional. And so last class, right, we see how to write. So playbook starts with the same. This is a YML format. If you want to write any playbook, and so this is the YML format or YML format same. We need to follow some indentation and all. So starts with three hyphen and right. So ends with three dots. And here we are going to write our playbook. Okay. So this is the hyphen host. Host means this is your mission name or host name or group name. This is the IP or we can use group name, group group name, or we can use anyone that is your wish. Group name or IP or host name, whatever you want. So we can pass it here. Now this is the user and all we can add it and so become I given become equal to s, right? And so this is the task section. This is the task. Under task we can add multiple Ansible models whatever you want. For example, yesterday we seen, right? So name colon. Okay, so name means we can give, for example, create a file, right? Create a file. And so model name, what is the model? So like this file, this is the file model, right? File is the model. And if you want to create mm, so where you want to create, we need to give that path. We need to give that path. For example, abc.txt. And state, if you want to create any file, what is the state? State equal to empty
Yes,
file,
sir.
right? Touch. Now if you want to, we can add mode also. Mode means permissions. What type of permissions you want to give that particular permission. Okay. So this is the one. For example, I want to install M. Right? M is also one model, right? So M is also one model. And so under this, we need to give. This is the only message. Whatever we want, we can pass. Hyphen name equal to this is a message. It will print in the console. Okay. So install the get software like this, whatever you want we can pass it. Okay, so before not here we need to give under here, right? I'm giving one more m, one more so m model. So like this we can add multiple models here also. Name, for example, name already right? Git. And state equal to state. See here, what is difference between adak and so playbook means so state equal to present or latest. So like this we can add, we need to follow some indentation and all, how we are following right? Kubernetes and all. So these are the syntax. So this is the task section. Under task, we can add multiple models. How many models you want? Here file is the one model, m is the one model, and copy also one model, shell also one model, command also one model. So you know, write few models. So with the help of we can write, we can add multiple task, multiple models in the task section, under the task section. I hope you got it right. So let's come to here, connect my Ansible. So this is the server, right? Ansible server. Click on connect, copy this one and go to where is my PM file. This is my PM file. Right click, git bash. Git bash. So interview mostly they are asking what is playbook. I hope you got right. Playbook is nothing but multiple plays, multiple plays. If you want to run multiple models at a time, we should go for playbook. So single, if you want to write a command line, so that case we can use only, ada commands. That is, we can one line command, and also we can execute only one model at a time. We cannot execute multiple models. We cannot execute multiple models, and if you want to execute so more than one, go for playbook. Now, so Ansible hyphen m ping, and so I am using DevApps. So whether all are connecting or not, just I am checking. See here. So these are the, so even if you are not connecting, it will work anyway. All are running, right? So suppose if one instance is not running, here we unreachable, we are getting one error message. One error message. One error message. Suppose if you want to connect this particular mission, what is the command? How we are connecting via server? This is the server, right? So this is the server. Right now I am in Ansible server. Suppose from server, if you want to connect this my client mission, how we are connecting? SSH
Yes.
DevApps username at IP address.
Happy
Which mission you want to connect? Same 172 dot 31 dot so 19 dot so 84. Now we can connect and check it. See here, now we are directly connected to your client mission. See here, right now I am in, this is my host, this is one client, this is one node. So now I connected my node mission directly. If you want to, we can connect like this also, if you want to for checking and all. Okay, now I am in server only. Okay, so I hope clear, right? So how to write playbook? So now I'm going to write one more playbook. I am going to write one more playbook. Va sudo va sudo sudo va I am going to use so git test test dot yml or yml, that is your wish, yml or yml. Okay, so now insert, now started, and so I am going to, we can add multiple files here also, but anyway right now I am using, and even if you are not giving also it will work. Anyway we are going to only one, right? So directly also we can write it. Okay, host hyphen host colon DevApps. My group name is DevApps. And so right now I am not going to use any user. Directly I am using particular DevApps user only. Become yes. Okay. Now task, under the task section, and so hyphen name. I want to install git package. This is your wish. Whatever you want, we can type. Here, whatever I am writing here, everything it is printing in the console only, like echo statement. Okay, just whatever you want, we can write it. So now what is this? And so what is the, if you want to install yum, right? Yum is the model, and so name. So name equal to git. Okay, now and state equal to present, state colon, sorry, where is this, state colon latest or present, whatever you want we can use it. That's it. Now escape, see here, colon x, escape colon 7x. Now how to run your playbook? Anyone? Ansible, I want to run my playbook. Ansible, hyphen playbook space file name, git test. uh, if you want to check syntax, I want to check syntax whether my playbook is correct or not. I written some lines, right? Hyphen hyphen syn syntax tx hyphen check. Okay, now we can check what is this. Ansible playbook, typo error, right? So playbook, playbook, so playbook, and so file name hyphen hyphen syntax hyphen check. Now if you are not getting any error, see here I am getting file name. If you get file name means, what is this meaning? There is no errors. That indentation, that syntax, everything correct. So whatever we written, so everything correct. If you want to dry run, same Ansible hyphen playbook, Ansible hyphen playbook, and playbook name and space hyphen hyphen check. In Kubernetes we are using hyphen hyphen dry run, right? You are using a hyphen hyphen dry run, right? The same way in Ansible, if you want to dry run, so this is a check. If you use hyphen hyphen check means now we are checking. So whether, see here connection done. Okay, see gathering facts, gathering facts. Now see here in both machines changed equal to 0. What is this meaning? Changed equal to 0 means here we can see connection okay. Gathering facts means
Finished.
it is gathering about your node missions. It is gathering about your node missions. Now gathering fact is true, okay. Now it is connecting two missions, it is connecting successfully. Now this is the task section. I written some message, right? Install git package all node mission, correct? So whatever we are typing under the name hyphen name, same thing it is printing. Now see here, this is okay, okay. Next play recap. So it is going to execute anyway. Here okay equal to okay to both missions, and changed equal to 0 means changed equal to 0 means already available. It is not going to do anything. So right, Ansible is the idempotent. Already if it is available, it won't do anything. If it is not available, it is going to install whatever action you perform, you added in the task, it will execute. So see here, changed equal to 0. What is this? Now I am going to uninstall. So if you want to uninstall, what is the state equal to? We need to pass one argument. Check it. Ansible. What is this? M model
Options.
Ansible. Absent. Model M. So if you go here, there is a state. Under the state, we need to boolean state. State equal to, there is a absent. Now I given so present. I don't want, I am going to uninstall absent. Now same vi vi sudo vi git test, okay. And so if you want to uninstall, here I am going to, if you know one how to write playbook, remaining all are same, only just adding only extra absent. Insert, right? Insert, go to here, absent, absent, escape, colon, x. Now check it, same thing, hyphen hyphen syntax check, and so hyphen hyphen check, dry run, hyphen hyphen check, dry run. Now check it here. Now we can see changed equal to 2. Earlier changed 1 1, right? This mission also okay, already available. If you execute this command, it is going to uninstall this particular mission. I hope you got it right. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? Yes or no? So now see here, changed, unreachable, failed, nothing. So everything. So now changed means, so now I am running. It is going to uninstall. It is going to uninstall. That's it. Now it will do. It will take. It is executing. All same uninstall. Change equal to done. Okay. Now already here everything available, right? Where is Ansible? How to write Ansible and all playbook. Now, anyone, any doubt, guys? Now, see here, this is a file model. Already I given some example. Just try it. Now, go to here. Now, right, file already, this is file model, copy model. And if you want to add some content, now see here, there is a one copy is there. Under copy, For this file, I need to add some content. Now try to understand here. So now SSH DevApps. Already I have one mission, right? Now go to here. Where is this? DevApps. Okay. Now in this mission, right now I'm in 84 client. Okay. So for example, so this is the file docker.devaps.txt. Do you have any data here? Check it. Cat space devaps.txt. I don't have any data here. Now I want to add some content to this file, any file, not only this, we can create one new file, we can add it. See, right now I don't have anything. This is, there is a one more copy, right? Copy, and this is the destination. For this file, I want to add, there is a content is the one tag is there. Under this content, whatever you want, we can add it. Whatever you want, so we can so add it. Clear? Anyone any doubt? Now I'm going to write same thing. So I'm going to use copy model, and already file is available. For this file I need to add some content. Clear? Now observe here, exit. Now clear this CLS and sudo vi copy content dot yml. Okay, so insert same host devaps. Okay, true become equal to yes, or we can use true also. Okay, now task section. Under task section, name, whatever you want, pass, add content to file. Just I given some. What is this? Copy. And so copy. Destination, DES. Where is your file, guys? Slash home. My file is available. DevApps slash DevApps dot txt. This is my file name. So now there is one more tag, content. Contents or content. Now we can use it here. So this is the syntax, content only. Whatever content you want, we can add it. So now see here, content. So under this, we can add whatever we want. Okay. So now see here, and so this is okay. I am adding something. Added, or this is DevApps. Okay. Dot txt file. Just I am adding this content to this file. So copy is the one model. So already destination. This is already file is available. This is the file is available, and content. I am adding some content to this file. That's it. Anyone any doubt here? Clear? Hello. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is a file. Already file is available. I am going to add. This is the content. Under content, whatever you want, we can add it. Now just write escape colon x. Now see Ansible hyphen playbook space, and what is this? Copy content hyphen check. Just I am running, so dry run. Okay, now see here, same. Now run this command, hyphen check. Remove that one, execute it. Now see here, add content to the file. Two missions added. Now go to that mission. How we are connecting that mission? SSH just content. Okay, now I connected. So earlier we can't see, right? Cat space devaps.txt. Now see here, content is added or not? This is a devaps.txt file. This is a devaps.txt file. So if you want to add, so after creation file or while creating file, if you want to add some content to file, and this is the tag. So we can add whatever you want. That is your wish. I hope clear. Content clear. Anyone any doubt? Same way. You can add multiple lines. All are same only. Now go to here. I want to create multiple files. So this one they asked interview also, and so they want to create multiple times, multiple files at a time. So for example, I have multiple hosts, right? Multiple client missions. Here I have two missions, right? Two client missions. So in both mission, I want to create some files. Now try to understand. And so right now I have two client, right? Two client missions. In two client missions, I want to create a few files. I want to create, for example, so dev dot properties file. Right? If anyone is seen the properties file, or for example, dev dot log file I want to create, or test dot log file I need to create. So like this. Okay. So some common files. So right, if you want to create any file, what is the model you are going to use? If you want to create any file model, and we are using so some touch command, right? Clear? Now see here, and so like loop, right, with in Kubernetes also, right, range, how to range, how to use that multiple files you want to execute loop like. So there is a with items. There is a with items. If you go here, Ansible, there is two ways we can use it. So with underscore item, okay, in Ansible. So now see, these are the loops. Simply we are calling loops. Simply we are calling loops. Loop is nothing but same command until that loop is executed. So we can execute that command. So see here, these are the example already they given. See with items. So now they given 1, 4, and this is array. It is executing so this many times. Or else we can use like this also. There is many ways we can iterate that items and with items. If we click on with items, this is the syntax. With items is replaced by loop. Whatever we want, we can use it. Now see here, item. This is the items. Here many items available. Now if you go here, so with underscore items. Items means only one item we can see or multiple names, multiple files, right? Items means plural, right? So here we can add multiple files. Whatever we want, we can add it. Now, if you want to iterate, if you want to read this one by one, so there is a one variable item we need to use. This is the syntax. This is the syntax item. Now, first it will come system.log file here in this place and state equal to touch. What is this meaning? First it will come system.log and state equal touch and mode equal to I given. Anyone? What is happening here? First time it will come with the items, right? Here I have four files, five files. First loop, first time it will read system.log. First, what is the file name? And it will execute the first time system.log. It is creating, and for this file, what is the mode it is giving? 755. What is this meaning? Anyone? User,
Full
full
access.
permission, groups,
Groups only read
Read and
execution.
execution, others also read and execution. Second time, first
Execution.
time it will execute item, right? Here items, here item. Now second time it will come file2.txt, same permission. Next third time db.properties, same permission, and file3 dot whatever you want we can. Now I am going to use this is the with items like loop. This is simply we are calling loop. Already in Kubernetes also we are using, right, range, if condition with how it will work same here also. Now I'm going to create one simple one, sudo vi, which mission I am in client. First exit from client and go to server, va sudo vi with items, okay, .yml file. So same host dev apps, okay. Now task task name, create multiple files, or okay, create just items, okay. Now what is the model? If you want to create file model, right? File model, mm, dst destination, where you want to create home slash dev slash, sorry, here you want to create, right? Simply I'm giving home directory. So now I'm giving this is syntax, right? Double quotation. Simply I'm giving, and so what is this? Space, here no space, and here just give, and state equal to state equal to touch, and mode, which permission you want to provide. I am giving a 744 only, whatever you want. Next, with underscore items colon. Here we need to add a multiple file, whatever you want. For example, I need so dev dot, I want to create one log file for development purpose. I need to create so test dot log file. Stage dot log file, and same way prod dot log file. Just I'm giving whatever you want, that is your wish. Okay, now I give, see here items, right, with underscore, what is items syntax, items. Okay, now anything missing, here we need to call, read that name item. This is the syntax, this is the syntax. Now see here, so now with items, this is like loop, same. This is very simple only, nothing. Wherever you want, we can add it with items. Whatever you want, we can call it. So whatever you want to call it. This is also message. Message means we'll see. This is also one model. And if you want to, we can print. We can print that one also. We can print with the help of message. Anyway, I'm going to run. Now see here, I need to create 4 files. Anything missing?
Yes,
Close
list of also we can mention hyphens. Start.
here. Yes, we need to add hyphen, or else check it how this syntax we are following. So now check it where this hyphen. Yes, we need to pass it. Okay, this is the second. Now pass. Now I am not giving wantedly. Just check it. Okay, Ansible hyphen playbook hyphen with item, right, with item, just hyphen syn syntax hyphen check, just check it. Now see here, error while adding ml file, the error appears to be line number 15 column number 1, but maybe somewhere else file depending on the extract syntax problem. So now see here, offending line appears to be, this is here. Now got it. So insert, now go to here, insert, go to here, we need to add hyphen. Okay, escape colon x. Now check it. Now everything okay. Now run it. If you want to, we can run dry run, or else directly we can run it. Now it is executing. So changed equal to, we need to check it. See here. So changed one mission also created. Now check it, changed. So it is created first dev.log, and two missions 2 times, right? This is one mission, this is one mission, and same test.log also created, and stage.log also created, and prod.log also created. Okay, now go and check it. If you want to go to connect any one mission, okay, ls, now ll. Now check condition, see here, test, what is this dev.log, what is the permission I given?
Right.
For users
Same,
full access.
same, whatever 7, which one I given? 755,
744,
right?
sir.
Read, write, read, and execution and all. Here something
Double four, sir, we given.
double four, read only, na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So read means
Groups
that's
and
it.
others.
Correct, right? Read means read, write only. Now same way we can add print message also. Message also one module. Just we can print anywhere. MSC in Ansible. MSC is the debug purpose. Mostly we are using so MSC. Right? Echo statement. What is the purpose of echo? Mostly we are writing echo, right? If you
reflections.
want to print something console, right? Same in Ansible, MSC and debug. In Ansible, MSC and debug. This is very simple only. See here. So customized message that is printed. If you want to print something anywhere and we need to go MSC. You need to go MSC. There is a debug also is there. If you want debug means mostly right printing purpose which value it is coming. If you want to print we can use that one. Mm, like this. See here, they given so message whatever you want they are printing. Here variable equal result they given velocity to printing purpose. If you want to use printing purpose here also somewhere added we can check it debug. I hope you got it right with items. With purpose with items. What is the item? How many times? This it will be executed how many times? These lines will be executed how many times?
2 times.
2 times.
No, sir, it's only 1 times.
One time. ఎంతసేపు ఏమిన్నారు ఈ త్రీ లైన్స్ ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతాయి ఇక్కడ హౌ మెనీ ఐటమ్స్
ఎన్నిసార్లు
అర్థమైందా హౌ మెనీ ఐటమ్స్ హియర్
Okay,
దోస్ మెనీ టైమ్స్
dependents
ఇట్ విల్
are
బి
given files.
ఇప్పుడు బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దిస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దీస్ త్రీ లైన్స్ విల్ బి ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్ హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్
5.
ఫైవ్
Okay,
టైమ్స్
5.
దట్స్ ఇట్ ఫైవ్ ఆర్ ఫోర్ సి హియర్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దిస్ ఫైవ్
5.
టైమ్స్ దట్స్ ఇట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ యూ యాడ్ 10 టైమ్స్ 15 టైమ్స్ 20 times 100 means 100. This is like loop only. In so shell scripting also right we are using for loop. Hmm? Same. This is the loop like this many times it is executing. First it will come. First item means first time it will come system.log and based on this it will create first time. Now second time it will come file2.txt and third time it will come db.properties. Fourth time file3.txt like this. So don't confuse here. This is like loops only. Just a loop. Those many times it will execute. But just we need to simple only list also we can use with list also we can use. See here, this is also same list or here we can use so debug command or else we can copy and execute. Now see here, I am going to here, I am going to write message debug and message. Now sudo vi debug msc dot yml. Okay, now just insert. Now I added here, right? So now I need to use space hyphen host devops. Okay, become become equal to yes. Next, yes, yes, task. Okay. Now see here. Now task hyphen name with list Ansible. Directly we can use a full form also. This is the full. So Ansible dot built-in dot debug or simply we can use debug also. That is your wish. Okay. So that is your wish. And so with items and that's it. Okay. Anything missing? Indentation. So task hyphen use list whatever you want we can pass it. We can use debug or simply we can use full form. Okay. MSC. So MS is the one message. I want to print here. First time it will print one. Second time it will print this one also. List also. If you want to, we can print it. Debug and message. Mostly for printing debug and if you want to print case, that case we can use. Mm, what is this command? Mm, Ansible. I am in client mission. Exit from here. Where I created file.
సాయంత్రం
So I need to copy, right? I need to create a file here, not a client mission. Just understand. V sudo vi d debug m debug msc.yml, just insert, copy and paste it. Not copied, same thing. Now remaining and all we need to add it. They didn't add anything, but so we need to add host, right? Host colon dev apps, dev ops, next become, next task. Okay, now we need to align remaining and all same only. Just that's it, that's it, that's it. This is the model name. Okay, that's it, that's it. Okay, now escape colon x. So Ansible hyphen play playbook space and so debug. Okay, hyphen syn syntax hyphen check. First check the syntax. Check the syntax, any indentation, nothing is there. And if you want to, we can run dry run or directly we can run it. Now I am running. Now here we can see. Now see here. Here it is printing 1, printing 2. See here 1. This is a message. If you want to print, so we can print MSC. Debug is the model, and whenever if you want to print anything, so MSC we can use it. MSC we can use it. This is based on a requirement. I am not going to store anywhere. See here, change it 0, change it 0, nothing. It is not going to do anything in our in our client mission. Just while running your playbook, if you want to print for your understanding purpose, we can add MSC. We can add MSC. So that and all here we added. Even if you want to print here, we can use MSC and we can use debug model. Delete file means you know how to delete. Instead of touch, we are using absent. That's it. Remaining same example only. And multiple files permission creation also. So now if you want to add, right, so file and mode also, this is this way also we can add it. So earlier I added, right, hard coded. Now I don't want hard coding, I want to give dynamically read. So what is this? Earlier I added directly like this mode, right? Like this I given a hard coding. So in the model section, I don't want like this, I want to call like this also. This is also same. Just here location, this is the one tag, and here I passed 2, right? So this is the file1.txt mode I attached here, and this is file2 mode. Here location dot item, where is your items available? Under the location, correct? Location colon, this is the item location, and this is the mode. It will come like this. Second time also same, it is coming file2.txt. What is the mode? Item dot mode. Item dot mode means 766 766 766. Anyone any doubt guys? Here both are same only, but here hard coded. Directly I given mode, I given pass. Instead of passing like this, we can pass like this also. These all are very simple only. Anyone any doubt here, or I can execute, I can run? Clear? Just try it. Simple only. All are very simple. Now come to here. This is also same. We install M also we done. And so this is Maven. How to download Maven and all. Now, so usually if you want to download anything from internet in Linux command, what is the command, guys? I want to download something from internet in Linux, not Windows. What is the command?
tar-jets.
For example, down tar
-jets.
Jeddah. Linux command. I am asking Linux command. First see here. So Ubuntu, right?
xvzfs.
XVZ. I want to download from internet. నాకు ఇంటర్నెట్ నుండి ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫస్ట్ కమ్ టు హియర్ download maven. This is a software, right? If you click on here, and so these are now this is the tar.gz. This is the file format. Right click, copy, copy link address. I want to download this software in Linux machine. What is the command? Linux లో మీరు ఏదైనా ఒక డౌన్లోడ్ చేయాలంటే ఏం వాడతారు?
wget.
Which command? wget, right? I am expecting this command only. Same thing if you want to download here. Now see here. Here we are using so this is the shell model, and so wget. I am expecting this one. If you want to download anything, if you know Linux commands very well, so Ansible also very simple. Now see here, if you want to download anything, now we can use shell model. Already you know what is the command model. Already you know what is shell model. Both are same only. If you want to execute any command, we can use shell or wget. Okay. Now see here, I am going to use here. I am in a server only, right? Sudo va. Okay. Download. For example, here I am using shell model, right? So shell.yml insert hyphen host. Okay. DevApps. Yes. Okay. Tsk task hyphen name. Okay. Download maven. Okay. Just I given something. Now see here. Now what is the model? Shell model. And so what you need to do is shell. And next, same. Here we use, right, wget.
wget.
So wget, what is the link I copied from here? Same. Whatever you want, we can anyway. Tar file, right? Copy link, paste it. Where is this? Okay. Now just I am not going to do anything. Remaining and all same only. Here we are using a name. I want to check Maven version. If you want to download and all, and register variable, we'll see later. Debug and all message. Now just whether it is downloading or not. Now see here, escape colon x and see bull hyphen playbook download Maven. What is the file name I given? Shell.
Shells.
Shell dot hyphen hyphen syn syntax hyphen check. Now check it. Now failed, change true. Now read this wget binaries data non-zero state wget. Wait. What is the line number? Where it is giving command not found. So actually command not found. It is not reading that command. Where is this? VA. So here we need to add a shell means we need to add insert and just we need to add this one escape colon. I will tell, or else we can use command also. Just try it. Now Ansible shell command not found. Still it is not reading that command. Shell. You can pass shell cat they are using. We need to use this one. Okay. We should insert, go to here, what not copied, shell paste. Okay, that's it. Remaining how many spaces? One, okay. Anything they added to run shell to run other executable to perform the Ansible inline. We need as inline shell, and we can add as values shell command remote shell. Okay, first try it. If any error, I will change it. Okay, escape colon x Ansible playbook shell data. Wget is still it is not identifying. One space or two space? Set of time swap. Now come here. Here what added? Spelling correct, huh? Wget whatever we are using. Wget correct only, right? It is not reading. So, insert. Single space.
Double.
Which one missing? First try. Two space correct only. We need to give any target. Hmm. Host not there by default available, right? Check it. Escape colon x. First connect client mission. Where is this client Ansible client sh. Okay, wget. First try here whether it is working or not. If it is working here only, that will work. Where is that command? Copy link. This is right now I am in host. Okay, client mission. If it is not available, we need to install. Otherwise, it won't run, right? First check it. Right click, copy link address. Just paste it. First check here whether it is working or not. That is the problem. So by default it is not available. We need to install the wget. How to install this package? How to install?
Yum install
Mm,
wget.
sudo yum install w. If it is not working, we'll check it. One mission only I installed. Now try to run. Now anyway, it is going to one mission, another mission it will fail. Now I'm in client. Exit from client, go to server. Okay, now run same command, playbook -l. At least one mission we want to get success. Now see here, one mission it is failed. Clear? Because the wget package is not available. And so now if you want to install in this file also, if it is not available, we need to install, right? We need to add one more module first. Before downloading, just with the help of m model install that wget. Clear? Anyone any doubt? Sudo
Yes.
For example, manually I install, right? I don't want to install manually. So if it is not available, we need to install shell. What I need to add here? One more model. You know, right? M. Tell me. M. M. mm,
Hyphen name.
Name. Name equal to W get state equal to mm,
Present.
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 Whether it is really installed or not, just I am adding hyphen name install wget package. Okay, we need to use clear. Now it will go to try both missions. If it is not available, it will install. Anything missing? Wget escape colon x. Now run playbook hyphen. That's it. Anyway, one mission it is going to install. One mission already available, right? Now see here. One mission it is to change to installed and downloaded. One mission already available. It is downloaded. That's it. Now go to connect any one mission, whether it is download or not. Just try it. That's it. SHH. Now ls. Now see here. Download or not. So this is the wget same Linux commands only. If you know familiar on Linux commands, just how to use in Ansible. That's it. So if you want to install any package M model, that's it. Blindly remember. Anyone any doubt? Clear guys? So
Yes.
next class we'll see how to add multiple tags, multiple and all we'll see. This is very important. In the interview also many people they ask this question. How to what is Ansible tags? How it will work. So we'll see next class.